Still think $10 isn't enough to start investing in 2025? You're not alone, but you're wrong. Most beginners wait until they have more money, but by then, they've already lost time. The real wealth builders, they start small and early. In a recent poll, 63% of you said your biggest money struggle is not knowing where to begin. This video fixes that. And no, buying Dogecoin again isn't the plan. We're being real this time. Ask yourself, what do I want this $10 to do? Buy freedom? Buy peace of mind? Start a habit? Use trusted platforms like SoFi, Fidelity, Robinhood, Acorns, or Public. All allow investments starting at $1. Set up recurring weekly investments. $10 a week equal $520 a year equals thousands in 10 years with compounding. No need to buy a full $3,000 Amazon stock. Fractional shares let you buy pieces of big companies or invest in ETFs like VU, SPI, or QQ. These track the market. Use tools like FinChat, Wealthfront, or ChatGPT to help you research, track trends, or even analyze risk. You don't need a degree. You just need the right tools. Turn that $10 into seed capital for passive streams, dividend stocks, REITs, or even an AI YouTube channel. One idea: buy fractional REIT shares. Earn rent without buying a house. $10 won't make you rich overnight, but starting with $10 will change your future. Use this guide as your action plan. Start now, no excuses. And if you're serious, you need to break these habits too.